Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, you are going to see how I got ready for a pahadi wedding. Basically, ये जो wedding है ना, ये थी मेरी niece की and it was in October. But I wanted to recreate that look. उस time मुझे बिल्कुल भी time नहीं लगा to shoot anything. So I wanted to share with you what all I did. This one, the look that I'm creating today is the one which I wore for Mehndi. Normally people wear like green or so for Mehndi, but my niece had decided that we'll all wear purple. So I was like, okay, purple is my kind of favorite color. So let me share with you what all I did. So the very first thing is obviously whenever you're doing makeup, make sure कि आपका जो face है वो अच्छे से cleansed हो. For that I love using hydrating cleansers because those are the one which will not strip the oil and your makeup will look even much better जब आपकी skin hydrated होगी. So this one from the brand Derma White, this is so hydrating. It's pH balance cleanser which is great for all skin types, even sensitive skin people can use it. So this one is packed with colloidal oatmeal, sodium PCA and ebullience, leaving your skin soft and supple. उसके अलावा it also preserve your natural oils and moisture barrier, preventing dryness and irritation. And even if you have घर पे ना छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं आपकी, for infants, for children, even my daughter uses these, even both my daughters, they use it and it's safe for all age groups. Next, I like immediately applying a moisturizer on my damp skin because I want to seal in the moisture. For that, I really love this Nutriderm moisturizing lotion. It has unique vitamin E phosphate that hydrates, repairs and reduces signs of aging like redness and fine lines. This one has powerful hydration and anti-inflammatory properties. And best thing is that it also helps in if you have skin barrier damage or even if you have stretch marks, it helps in fading that. Check out the entire range of Nutriderm and Dermaway product at Nutriderm, India's official website, Amazon, Nykaa and Iberia skin brands. I'll also be adding these products in the YouTube card where you can shop directly from the link below. So this is not something sponsored. I really like these. I wanted to share them with you. Abhi winters bhi aa rahi hai. If you're looking for something really hydrating, you need to try these products. Next मैं उस दिन इतनी जल्दी में थी ना, प्राइमर ये सब लगाना भूल गई and then I started using this foundation which is like a 3-in-1 kind of foundation जिसमें सीरम भी है, सब कुछ है. So I used this foundation जो कि अभी आनी नहीं, ख़त्म हुई है. This is something that I loved using that day क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी थी सुबह में. It was like early morning and we had to get ready quickly और मुझे थोड़ा सा bride को भी help करना था in getting ready. So it was kind of hectic for me. और घर की जब शादी होती है ना, really hectic. आप उतने enjoy कर नहीं पाते हो क्योंकि obviously there are so many responsibilities, there is so much happening. So this is the foundation that I use. Can you see like कितनी जल्दी से ये blend हो गया? It did not even take a minute. Next I used a concealer just around my eye area, थोड़ा सा around my mouth area. I love applying concealers with my fingers, but अभी I'm showing you exactly how I did that. अब इतनी जल्दी में थी ना, बिल्कुल भी I was trying to blend in everything as quickly as possible. I use this one, the cream one. Other hydrating होते हैं, they look more natural rather than the blush. Ooh, look at that. What did I do? So वो जो है ज़्यादा hydrating होते हैं, they look more natural. और क्या कहते हैं, the powder one also I use like in the end to seal everything, but I'm more into like green blushes. I forgot everything literally. फिर मैंने brows बनाए, फटाफट अपने eyebrow बनाए, eyebrows बनाए, because ये एक चीज़ है मैं मिस नहीं कर सकती, बाकी मैं सब कर लूँ. Brows is something जो मुझे करना होता है. Then I apply a little bit of kajal, my tight line. Then I use this makeup fixer. This is really good. थोड़ा सा हल्का सा. This is how I did my makeup for that day and it was very minimal, very simple. You can recreate it very easily, and this is how I was looking with all the outfit and everything on that day. So do let me know how did you like the video. Do comment below if you really want me to make part 2, part 3 of this, like when I wore a sari also. So I'll share with you that and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.